out by the Director of Public Prosecutions or something, what else the need? Such as Kamwen and Green leadership is ours. These things are really rising the political temperatures, this kind of speech. So perhaps what is the number of boundaries within?
The rising insecurity and banditry attack in Kerio Valley, parts of Samburu, Isiolo, and the northwestern part of the Meru County, these have remained a threat to peaceful coexistence in the region. The attacks and rains have continued to derail the socio-economic development in these parts of the country. Over the past months, more than 75 people have lost their lives and many families have been displaced from their homes. Schools have been closed down, denying children in those regions the right to education. Businesses have also been shut down and livelihoods disrupted. Such development, of course, cannot be watched in silence. Therefore, as NCIC, we call on the perpetrators to lay down their arms and choose peace instead.